and skinny groceries and snacks, which will be shown by special force personnel. The full of courage, without any fear and no sharp equipment, the troops are showing techniques to kill snakes by bite the snakes next year. From the left side, we will see one of the soldiers is riding motorbike with closed eyes. It is extra concentration, her cleverness, and sincerity combined with extra abilities. Therefore, the energy inside could function well and reach the top nanopy level. The soldiers bring the blood together and as they skip, sliding the necks with their teeth and eating the meat. And next, we will see the soldiers are showing up the Kanuragan martial arts. This is one of our ancestral inheritance that used in the past to fight against colonialists. Ladies and gentlemen, in our visit, the soldier now will show how to slice a watermelon still with ice cubes. And he will get the nations to come in. The Indonesian Armed Forces is trying to develop this heritage and also preserve it as Indonesian culture. And now, we see the soldier. They're sleeping above nails and moving his body on the blades pregnant. That's very short. And we will show us how to shoot with close eye. This technique is really important and very useful in operation. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now once again. Give a festival applause. From the left and the right side, with the high mobility and speed, they are moving so fast. And canine animals owned by Typhoon Costa is Belgian Malinois style and German Shepherd style. That is animal used specifically for attacking and detecting narcotics. And we can see the dogs beat the terrorists. Ladies and gentlemen, without doubt, once again, give a festive applause. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the demonstration. We ain't revolution, but we are trained. Peace be upon you, and all our mercies and blessings. Good day and best regards.